right, the ideas of with replacement and without replacement tie directly into our next set of definitions. Event A and event B are independent events if the occurrence of either event in no way affects the probability of occurrence of the other event. Rolling dice, flipping coins, and drawing cards with replacement are independent events. Right? If the probability of the first event does affect the probability of the second event, then we are called dependent events. Right? Drawing cards without replacement, right, are considered dependent events. And if we look at this, again, with replacement, those probabilities didn't change, but without replacement, they did. So with replacement, we are independent because this one doesn't affect that one. Without replacement, we are dependent because what we have here depended on that first probability. Right, so in our example at the bottom, we are asked to determine if each of the following are independent or dependent events. 100 people attend a charity benefit. 3 people in attendance will be selected at random without replacement, and each will be awarded 1 door prize. Are the events of selecting the 3 people who would be awarded a door prize dependent or independent? Right? So since we see the words without replacement, right, we just said that without replacement meant dependent events. Right, and then for B, a coin is flipped 3 times, and it is recorded each time if the coin lands with heads or tails up. Is flipping the coin 3 times dependent or independent? This would be a case of independent events. Right, we're told up above that flipping coins are independent events, but that is because the first toss stored there does not affect other tosses. So the probability of our first event does not affect our other events. Right? So again, as we're going through and you're working through problems, pay attention to words like with replacement and without replacement, and pay attention to whether we're talking about independent events or dependent events.